Hi, Sir Orbit. Shout out.
Alright, here's another song from Donna, Cruz. Daghang salamat.
Rain gently falls whenever we say goodnight. Falling like when you're out of sight. Rain follows me even in my bed, and rain is the tears that I shed. There'll be no sunshine in my life until you say I'm out of mine. There'll be no summer, spring or fall. It's like winter time, but I can never say I care. I know it won't be smart. Somebody owns your heart. It can never be mine. So it rains when you're near, no one we can't even touch. Rain knows that I love you so much, but I know that my love will only cause you pain. So I'd rather live with the rain.
Alright, Sir Orbit, come on.
There'll be no sunshine in my life until you say I'm out of mine. There'll be no summer, spring or fall. It's like winter time, but I can never say I care. I know it won't be smart. Somebody owns your heart. It can never be mine.
Talaga lang. Ouch,
Come on,
ang sakit.
Hit it, G.
Sir Orbit,
Para sa
shout out,
mga
guys.
nananaginip. I just had a dream that you were far away,
Far away.
and that someone else was in your arms today.
Feel mo nila?
Though I know it's just a dream, still my fear is so extreme. 'Cause I know that dreams
I feel
can
it.
sometimes be so true, and I'll be blue. Yes, I told myself I'll always stay the same. Even if you hurt me, I would take the blame. You were all I'm living for. I will love you even more.
Sir Orbit, say hi to my
I
class.
will keep the pain inside my door.
Sana all.
It's enough for me that I come to love with you. I see, because the hurt I have can only want you. I just want you to remember, even if it says forever.
sun.